God bless you. Um, Rebecca, Zoe, KJ, Zion. Um, so for today's class, what we did was try to play. We had an idea, kind of established the idea of how to form chords for when we hear songs for the first time. And we said that for gospel piano, what really helps is the melody of the song, and we chose Singing I Love You, right? And the melody of this song goes like this. Singing I. And we said that you can see that the first notes of the chords forms the C major triad, right? So it gives you an idea of where to go next. And we said that this chord, this note here, singing I, the I here, there are some possibilities of finding the chord, which should always, not all the time, but mostly will be the 1-3-5. Okay, this chord will be in a 1-3-5. Okay, so 1-3-5 for this one, we have A minor, right? We have F, and then what else do we have? We've done A minor, we've done F as a 3, and then the 5 will be what? Will be D. Right, so the possibility of this chord, of this note in the chord for this one is one of them. So to find it, you just have to use the bass. So the left hand helps you a lot. So singing I, obviously it's not this, it's not the 6 I. It's possible when you are talking jazz standards, but this is normal piano, gospel piano. So the last option is F, which is the case. So if we come back, so it's a 4, okay. I love, okay, it's on the 5. We can either use the B diminished and the half diminished, or we can just play just the 4 on the 5 back to the 1, okay. The 10 around I like to use is the B diminished, the half diminished, okay. The half diminished, but then it's just I just like to use it on this chord, okay, which is more like it's a diminished chord, basically. It's a diminished 7th, okay. I normally like to play this one, okay, on the before coming to the 1. So see, okay. Straight to 6, okay, and 5, okay. I'm gonna use another variation. remember to practice it step by step. And if you have any challenges, just let me know. And then I'll get back to you in the course of the week. God bless you.